Today we're going to review the Wish I Was Home Deluxe Cash Register. It's a 19-piece set. We bought this from Walmart for $15.98. Mia's been asking for this product for quite a long time now. Comes with this register. Looks like some coins, a credit card, some money, a small basket, and a few food items to scan. In a moment we'll open it up and see exactly what comes in it. Today we paired I Wish I Was Deluxe Cash Register with the Wish I Was grocery basket. Inside is full of lots of goodies that Mia's going to show us in a little bit. We paid $4.98 for this little basket. We like that it says Walmart so that she can bring it with her when we do our Walmart shopping. Okay, so why don't we get started and let Mia show you what we got inside there. Hi, Mia.
Hi. You like my see my groceries?
Yes, I would love to see your groceries. You gonna show us?
Yeah.
What's in the basket today? Oh, you got it. You got an egg. Oh, it's a nice little egg. And what's that?
It's broccoli.
Broccoli. Okay, what else you got?
I bought the chicken.
It's chicken. Okay, keep seeing. Let's see what else you got.
Lemon.
Oh, a lemon.
Yeah.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Ooh, and that is a good way to test whether an item has a choking hazard for children under 3, well, for any age, actually, if they put things in their mouth. Mia loves to put stuff in her mouth. So this test is definitely something we need to do. What we've done is we've got a regular old toilet paper roll, and if the item goes through the hole, just like this, that means it is a choking hazard. So that item has to be removed from the toys. So what we'll do is as you go through it, Nana will test it. The lemon went through, so we're going to take the lemon out because it's not safe. The egg's all right. It got stuck. The broccoli work? It's safe. How about the chicken? Chicken's safe. What do you got here? This is the mushrooms. Oh, the mushroom's not safe for little kids, so we're going to take the mushrooms out. What else do you have? A potato! The potato's safe. We can put it back. What's this?
What? It's noodles!
It's noodles! You love noodles!
Yeah.
Okay, what else do you have? Let's see what else you got in your basket. Oh, what's that?
It's a grape.
It's grapes. Put that in the safe zone. Ooh. It's Fruit Loop cereals. Fruity Rainbow cereal. Okay, what else you got?
I got some corn.
Oh, you got some corn?
Yeah.
The corn didn't make the test. It's got to go back over here in this pile.
No.
What else you got? Oh, it's another broccoli. Okay, maybe this one's not broccoli. Okay, what else do you got?
Hot pepper.
Oh, I think these are supposed to be peas. And, again, they didn't make the test. So we're going to be removing them. A pear. Ooh, Mia loves yummy pears. And we could put that in the good pile. What else do you got?
Some milk.
Oh, a carton of milk. Right on. Okay, what else do we have?
Some cereal.
Some more cereal. Some cornflakes. Can I help you get in there?
Yeah.
Here's an orange.
Orange.
And this looks like an onion. The onion made it. Okay. What do you got over there? It's supposed to be lettuce. And what is this?
It's a potato.
It's an apple or a tomato. I think it could pass off to either one. And you have some orange juice. Uh-oh.
Got some milk again.
Some apple juice and more milk in your basket. Let's count how many we got today. So let's start with the no-no pile. The no-no pile has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's see, what do you have in here for the good pile, Mia? Let's count them. Let's count these and put them in your basket. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
11.
Yes, 16,
Orange.
17,
Orange.
18. 18 good items with our 5 items. How many does that make?
No, it is.
It's 23. There's 23 pieces in your grocery cart. Okay, Nana's going to remove these ones and let's open the register. Okay, Mia, why don't you see what's in your little basket? Show us what's in your little basket. Oh, you've got some candy.
Oh.
It looks like some candy of some sort. All right. And you got some cookies. Looks like you already got the hang of it. What else you got? Some milk. Keep going. And you got another milk. Pretty good. What else do we have in your basket? Oh, you got a credit card? Oh, so you can pay for your own stuff? Okay, oh, what do you do with that? Wow. You sure know what you're doing. What else is in your basket? Oh, you got some money. Oh, look at all that money. I see some coins too. Let's do the little test on the coins. I have a feeling the coins are not going to pass.
It's too good.
The coins are going to have to be removed. They are a choking hazard. Paper to scan.
Yeah, I want to do it.
What does this button do?
Welcome.
It says welcome. What does this one do?
Thank you.
It says thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What about this? What if you push this button? What happens? Oh, so you put your food on there. Let's see. Can you have me an apple? Let me see your apple. There you go. Put the apple on here. Let's see what happens. Okay. Push the button. Haha. Put it right here. Let's weigh it. Oh, and it weighs the fruit for you? Really cool. Okay, how about we try this? Turn on this button right there. Okay, now put 1.00. 1.00. $1. I think I need some eggs today, and a pear, and I need some spaghetti.
Need some spaghetti?
Yeah, I think I better make some spaghetti tonight.
Want some spaghetti? Okay.
Right there, here's my basket. I found that the cash drawer is difficult to open. You must hit it very hard to get it to open up. And when you put your money in, the drawer doesn't come open enough to really properly get your money out without harming little fingers, or at least my big fingers. So that is one feature I'm not happy with. Otherwise, we have found this to be a very fun item. One of the features that we did like was this approved sign. You push it down, you use the credit card to swipe it in there, and it pops it up and makes it make a cute little noise. Okay, Mia, you try it. Let's push it down, and you swipe that credit card. Do it really good. Do it really hard. And down. Good job. So how do you talk? If you want to call somebody, say, Checker.
See what happens if I do this. For the money. Get you money out.